Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a GMC Sierra. First, always prioritize safety. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical shorts. Next, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a torque wrench. Finally, use a jack and jack stands to safely lift and support your truck, ensuring it's stable before you begin any work underneath. Now let's get to removing the old starter. You'll typically find the starter motor on the passenger side of the engine, often near the transmission. Carefully disconnect the main power wire and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. Then, using the appropriate socket, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. Once the bolts are out, you can carefully pull the old starter free. With the old starter out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into its mounting location, making sure to align the bolt holes. Insert and hand tighten the mounting bolts, then use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect the main power wire and the solenoid wire, ensuring they are secure and tight. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery cable to your truck's battery. Before lowering the vehicle, double-check all your connections to ensure everything is tight and secure. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Try starting your engine. If it cranks and starts smoothly, you've successfully replaced your starter. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.